everyone, it's Jeffrey Simons here at Jeffrey Simons and Associates at Keller Realty. Thank you so much for tuning into this quick video tour. I'd like to share with you a new listing that we have at 1980 Las Colinas Circle, unit number 302 in Corona. This is an end unit penthouse, meaning that it has volume ceilings and there's really nobody around you, so it makes it a very unique location and very sought after. This is a 2-bedroom, again, both master suites, 2-bath, just under 1,200 square feet of very comfortable living space. Come with me, check it out, let me know what you think. As we enter 1980 Las Colinas Circle, unit number 302 in Corona, you'll see that we're greeted by an amazing dining room, a fantastic remodeled kitchen with updated cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an inside laundry room. One of the unique things about this particular location, again, is the volume ceilings. The end unit and the exterior location make this really highly sought after, as it does back a school, which gives you plenty of privacy, beautiful views of the hillside, trees, and greenery. The living room is expansive, has some really nice AV hookups, volume ceilings, in addition to LED recessed lights and built-in speakers. This is our main master suite. As we walk in, you can see again it has views of the park and school, custom ceiling fan, laminate style flooring, has an amazing remodeled bathroom with wood cabinets, granite countertops, custom mirror, gorgeous bathroom, stone new glass tile accent, it's a huge walk-in closet for a unit this size, making it very convenient for you to hang all types of wardrobe items. Pass through the dining area again to give you another view of what this room looks like, and head into the second master suite. Another patio off the back, greenbelt views, custom ceiling fan, laminate floors, another remodeled bathroom in here with wood cabinets, custom mirror, granite countertops, recessed lighting, fully remodeled bathroom as well. Same style with the tumbled stone backsplash, glass tile accent, new shower doors, and another walk-in closet.